All right, my friends, it's time for another car talk. You guys really liked that last video posted right through here, but sitting here in traffic, trying to get out of a car show, and I was like, let's talk trading a little bit. So there are a couple things that I was talking to a few people here at the car show about with trading. They're like, I'm struggling with this. And I'm like, there's only 3 things you really need to know to succeed in trading. First things first, you got to know the trend. If you don't know the trend, you don't know which direction to go, and you're always going to be wrong, right? I can give you the greatest bear strategy in the world, and if you just keep doing it in a bull market, you'll keep losing. So you've got to understand how to apply the strategy, right? Bullish or bearish is step number 1, and you do that through price action. Don't rely on indicators, EMAs, anything like that. Those are all lagging. By the time those are telling you it's bullish, it's already been bullish for probably a while, right? And so with that, understand that you can have bear moves when the bulls are still in control, and you can have bull moves when the bears are still in control. That's where trend comes in. Until you can understand price action and trend, you are always going to struggle. Teach you for free completely how to do this. Check out the links down below for trend, okay? The next thing you need to know is momentum. Momentum is going to tell you how big of a move you're about to have, bullish or bearish. And so if you get in on a bullish trade with bullish trend, but the momentum isn't there, it's just going to struggle to go to target and most likely start hunting out stops. The markets make large moves and then they go into resting periods, okay? During a resting period is when you don't want to trade. That's where things are going to just be chopping. It's not going to be super obvious. It's going to look really good just to reverse the next day. It's going to be a struggle to really get to target on anything or get stopped out. So with that, the next thing you've got to know once you get your momentum down of figuring out where the markets are at and how things work, you actually get some good momentum on this. It's looking like it's going to move. And a big part of momentum, like here's the tip for momentum, right during trend changes is the best time for momentum. All right. So I've got to try to figure a way to get out of this parking lot. So right when it goes from like bearish to bullish or bullish to bearish, like that's your highest momentum play. Jump on those and trade those, okay? So the next thing is after that is your setup. Your setup is where your strategy comes in, right? So you've got your trend, you've got your momentum. The next thing now is strategy. It's applying that. Your setup is going to do everything to get you into a small loss and a big win situation. That's all that matters in trading is your risk. And so once you have all 3 of those, you're going to be way more successful in trading. It took me so long to learn these lessons and cost me a ton of money in doing so. And so, I hope this helps you a little bit more. I mean, my journey was a long journey, guys. I was telling a few people over here at this car show, they're like, so how fast can I learn this? I'm like, well, you can learn it fast, but the thing is, it's not an easy journey. It's not gonna be a quick and short journey. It's not gonna be something that's just gonna happen like this. I mean, there's a lot to learn, there's a lot to go through, but really what it's gonna do is, it's just gonna show you back a reflection of yourself. If you are the type of person that struggles with identity and is trying to prove something of their self-worth through trading, trading is going to take a long time to learn. If you're someone that can just see it for what it is, love yourself and learn, right? When you make mistakes, you're not beating yourself up, you're just learning. Then you are actually going to start progressing a lot faster because you're going to start learning from your mistakes instead of beating yourself up. People spend years just trying to undo mistakes, trying to make back losses, trying to prove that they actually can do this, instead of just learning that lesson, applying it, and moving forward. I spent years doing that as well. So don't make that same mistake. When I first started trading, I lost everything multiple times. I took out a loan, lost that. I took out credit cards and lost that. Like, I don't recommend doing any of that. But that was my route. That's what I did. And it wasn't until I stopped fearing what people would think about me and stopped thinking, all this other stuff, this is a decade ago, that I finally started to turn things around and start getting ahead because I could actually learn from my mistakes. And what I was doing was constantly just doubling down on what wasn't working. Like, I'd lose a whole bunch of money and then I would go get some more money and do the exact same thing trying to prove that it would work, right? And it wasn't until I literally just sat down for a weekend and I was like, I'm just gonna figure out what works, right? Like, what is working, what isn't working, start writing it out. And so I sat back and I was like, okay, what do I need to do to be successful? Like, I need $1,000 by this Friday. What's the best chance of getting that? And so I started just writing my problems out and what I need to do, and like credit spreads would get me that. They're very consistent, but I need a lot more money. I didn't have that. So how could I make money work with credit spreads with a small account? And I just kept problem solving. And that's the key that you've got to do, is just keep problem solving. So I hope this video helped you out just a little bit, my friends. Sorry if it's shaky a little bit. I'm on the freeway now. So keep going, keep standing back up, love yourself. Apply those 3 lessons into your trading and you're gonna be so much more successful. You can learn from my mistakes so you don't have to do them. My friends, we're giving away tons of free trading courses. If you want those, links are down below to help you out in your trading. My goal, my mission is to help you succeed in your trading and to help you do it easier than what I had to do it. So check out those links down below, guys. I love you. I hope you enjoyed the car talk. It's getting a little bit too bouncy here, so I want to probably bounce out. But hope you guys enjoyed it. I'll see you in the next one. Bye, guys.